Hi guys, it's Sparky here. This video is a bit different to my normal ones, but I think this is the sort of thing I'm getting into. It's Unity 3D and I'm basically creating a first person shooter. This is my basic little level here. I've just got my own little pistol. I'll give you a quick preview first. Okay, so as you see, I've got my silenced pistol here. I have my laser sight, I have my knife. I can aim, I can shoot, I can reload. As you see, there's sort of like a shape to the gun which drops out the reload at the bottom. And also I can't reload if there's no ammo in the gun. So I'm tapping R now for reload and it won't work. Okay, so if I press V, I have a knife. Pretty cool, huh? Right, this laser sight is actually made out of a cylinder. The cylinder has like a directional light going through it as well, which is the end of the laser sight, so it actually focuses on the terrain around it. I've made the cylinder so it goes sort of as long, well, as far as it can, really. Okay, right. That's my gun, really. So I'm gonna show you some of the coding. Right, this is my gun code. I have my input variables, ammo in mag, able to, so I just can fire and can knife. I have my speeds, my reload and fire time, my reload overlay, which is basically, I'll show you. Right, if I fire all my mag, it comes out, I press R to reload. So I press reload, press R to reload, and then the top actually goes back in. As you see, when I'm out of ammo, the top clips out. They press reload, and when it's finished reloading, it clips back in again. Okay, so I have my audio clips, which I've done different to Superroblox, whose tutorials I've been following. Pretty good. So if you want to get into stuff like this, I'll suggest going to it. I'll put a link in the description. Basically, what he decided to do is he decided to just go, where is it? Right, audio.play. Then that only makes you able to play one audio clip per component. Which is like, it's like, say you just like put an audio clip that's fine on reload. Okay, just put an audio source in there and it will play that only audio source that's in there. If you put two, it will play both of them at the same time. So I found a way around it where you can literally just, where's my gun? Okay, you can literally just drag your sound straight into there, drop it there, and you don't have to worry about all that like single clips and whatnot. You just got like as many as you like. Okay, so gun reloading. All right, gun reloading. Right, I've got my wait seconds. Blah blah. This is basically just like, I don't know, it just keeps it all in time and keeps it all working. And so the audio clip reload gun there. I've changed the volume here by using audio.volume as well. There's also the reload time. Wait until you can fire again. Then your ammo resets. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, this bit here is basically just a reload overlay. I used a ammo texture. It's basically a texture that I made myself. All it says is like, right down here. You probably can't see it as well, but it says press R to reload. And that's just the overlay texture. Okay, and this is my aim. There's the hit pose and the aim pose. This is all exactly the same Superroblox. I haven't changed anything else. The smooth aiming, I tried doing that, to be honest. Hasn't worked for me, so I've got to try and find a way to get around that. Right, this is my gun animations. These variables, for God's sake, these variables here are all the animations. So fire, reload, knife, gun, knife, reload, shake, ammo, jet, no ammo, yes ammo, no fire, gun. Okay, there's knife, gun, which is also audio clip. Nothing happens on the start. Nothing happens during the play. Can't even spell. The fire animation. Okay, this is basically just the control of the fire speed for the top of the gun. So I've made it so it's like 0.1. It sinks the rest of the bullets. However fast you shoot, 0.1 is basically the fastest you can tap your button, really. So there's 0.1 for this fire speed. I've also got a reload time and an alpha reload, ammo reload alpha. Okay, so the reload animation, the gun shake for reload animation, and ammo case drop animation. These are all sort of like the same. They're the same speed, really. I've made all the animations stop at the same time. So all I've done is put game object dot animation, put an animation name dot speed equals game object dot animation, the animation name dot clip dot length divided by gun reload t time. As it's reload t time, reload t time everyone. Right. As it's reload t time, they are all linked and they all take the same time as they're all in the same animation. The knife animation is basically what you just sort of me pressing the button V and your knife obviously knifing. Simple as. And there's the knife audio clip. The no ammo is when you finish shooting your ammo and the top bit sort of pulls back and clips back to show you got no ammo. And then this is so after 2.5 seconds it will actually reset. Okay, so right, that's basically all of that bit. Alright, what else can I show you lot? What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this possibly into a proper game. If I can get all my players working, actually make like an assault rifle or something. I did make an assault rifle previously, but I was a little bit silly and went to file, new scene, create a new scene in this project. Obviously, I was a new user then. I literally just started using Unity, started following Superroblox's tutorials, and then I used exactly the same assets that are in here. I used the character controller. Basically, all I've done is I went into weapon camera, went into my gun, I got the gun and I deleted it and replaced it with something else. I did not think it would actually replace the gun in the other scene, which was my assault rifle, but the pistol actually did. So I lost that assault rifle, and then the pistol messed up, and my whole computer froze. So I completely lost everything that was in that project. Bit tragic, but you know, I've created this over the last 2 days, and to be honest, it's much better. I've managed to fiddle around some coding, change it different ways, better than the professionals at some points. Well, not better than professionals, just a bit more simple and a bit more quick to use. And also, like, I've adapted my own like laser sights and stuff. I've also the tactical knife I made completely by myself. I didn't watch a single tutorial of that. I just learnt what I knew because I was watching Superroblox's tutorials for like about 3 days or something. Just every day after school, I'd just come on Unity and just have a play around with that because I'm sort of into computers and stuff. I'm not a nerd if anybody asks. I do a lot of sports and stuff. I'm not like a little fat kid with glasses or whatever. Yeah, I'm quite an active guy. But, you know, in my spare time, I like to do something to keep me sort of like into it. So I decided to like, come to Unity, watch his tutorials, learn how to do it. And I've made stuff by myself. Like the knife, for instance, I made that myself. And I learned how to import stuff by myself. Even though he does have a tutorial on how to import stuff, I still done it myself. Anyway, I'd like to know what you would like me to do. Because, to be honest, I'm a bit blank when it comes to ideas. So I don't have a lot of sort of like inspiration or imagination on what I should actually make. So I want to know what you guys want in a first-person shooter game that I can develop onto this. And also what weapons you would like to see me make. Because the next weapon, whatever it is, I'll upload another update, and you can see what I've made. You can see how I've made it. I'll show you the code and the stuff, and maybe you could pause it and have a look, and maybe nick some stuff of mine or whatever. Anyway, that's it for this update. This is my first ever update. Just want to show you guys a little bit of what I've done. If I lose it again, I will post another video and just tell you, but hopefully I won't because I learned from my mistakes. Anyway, this has been Sparky. I hope you enjoy my project. Alright, see you later, guys.